I've been exploring the Bubble website builder for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this website builder. First, let's talk about what the Bubble website builder actually offers. Bubble isn't your typical drag and drop site builder. It's a full no-code development platform that lets you create web applications, marketplaces, and SaaS products entirely without writing a single line of code. You get control over both the front end and the back end, including design, workflows, and database management, all from one visual interface. It's designed for founders, startups, and entrepreneurs who want to prototype, launch, and scale their ideas without hiring a full engineering team. Now let's get into the good stuff. Bubble's biggest strength is flexibility. You can build anything, from a simple landing page to a complex multi-user app, with customizable workflows, API integrations, and plugin support. It even includes built-in database functionality, authentication tools, and payment options like Stripe. Recent updates have introduced an AI app builder that can scaffold a basic web app from a single prompt, as well as a public beta for native mobile apps. The community is vibrant, performance has significantly improved, and deployment is as simple as one click. But Bubble does have its challenges. It comes with a learning curve, especially for users new to logic-based design or complex data workflows. Performance can slow down as projects scale, and costs rise with app size and traffic. It's also not ideal for pixel-perfect creative design. It's better defined as an app builder than a traditional web builder like Wix or Framer. Overall, Bubble Website Builder is a powerhouse for anyone serious about building functional, data-driven web applications, fast, scalable, and remarkably capable for a no-code tool. It's not the easiest to master, but once you do, it feels like unlocking developer-level power with a visual interface. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.